is Shweta. Actually, I got to know about Bixi from Instagram. I was very much interested to work in banking sector. I was not knowing how to get into it. Bixi is like God. As I said, I don't have any words to tell. I thank everyone.
Hi Shweta, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
So you are a computer graduate, right? Is
Yes, sir.
that true? So where are you from? Where do you stay? Somewhere near
Nagasandra, sir. You said
Okay. So when did you pass out of your graduation? Which year was that?
2019, sir. After that, I informed you that 1 year I wasted for I was having an idea of doing MBA. So 1 year I wasted. I didn't get seat in a good college. So I wasted it. And after that, I joined as an accountant and I've worked for 9 months as an accountant. Then I did a retail banking course from Bixi. Then I have placed in HDFC now.
How did you come to know about us, Shweta? How did you come to know about Bixi?
Through Instagram, sir. I was browsing Instagram. I got an ad about the Bixi and I was very much interested and I was searching for the banking sector course also. At that time, I got Bixi, sir. And
I'm sure there must have been other ads also that is coming on Instagram on banking and other courses.
And I was very scared also. It may be, I was not knowing background and all, sir. I was very scared about it also, other courses. With fear only, I have attended Bixi also, but I'm very happy now.
Okay. So what was your fear? As in, they will not do what they are promising. Was that the fear?
Yes, sir. And after paying money, they will not teach. They'll teach or not. That idea I was having, sir. Now that is
after payment of the money, will they kind of cheat, right? So what made you feel that they will not cheat? Because ultimately you paid the money and joined our course. So what made you feel that they will not cheat?
Feedback from the students. I was scrolling the Bixi website and in videos in the YouTube also I was browsing Bixi about Bixi. There I saw the videos, feedback videos of testimonials and all about the students who have already attended retail banking course and all. Then I got that I should do this like that.
Were you fully convinced it is quite possible that somebody can just put up a fake testimonial also, right? It's possible, right?
Sir.
So,
but I felt it's not fake, sir.
Okay. When you started interacting with our officials in Bixi, what were you told? What did they tell you about the course and what you will benefit and whether they will benefit and how you will benefit and all that? What were you told by them?
Initially, that I got a call from Shweta KM. I don't know her role and also. She explained me very well about the Bixi. Then I also, I was confused. I was not knowing anything about the banking sector. I was asking more questions for her. And I was going for job at that time. I was not having time also to listen her words. And 3 to 4 times I called her and I was asking her about the Bixi. Then evening, she told that you will be having one Zoom interview to test your communication skill. After followed by that, you will be having AMCAT test. That I know she told. But AMCAT test, I was having much fear because I'm aptitude test and all. I don't know much about it, sir. I'm weak in that. So I was very scared about it. If I don't clear AMCAT, then I'll be not able to attend Bixi, I think. Like that and all fear, negative thoughts I was having, sir.
Okay.
Then again, Soumya ma'am guided me. She only took Zoom interview round initially, and then AMCAT test also I cleared. Then she explained me and she taught me very well, sir. Soumya ma'am.
What's the fee structure? How did you find the fee structure that we had? Was it too costly, too cheap, or was it correct in your mind? What is?
Like other also, as I said, other advertisement also I was saying that was compared to Bixi, it was huge only, sir. Other advertisement was they were we have to pay more for them. And at the time when I joined, I was having 10% offer also.
Hmm.
At the time it was 24,000, and when I joined I got 10% offer, and it's very happy that we should pay less amount initially, and after getting job only we have to pay the entire full amount. That is advantage for everyone.
Any negative surprises? Anything that you thought
No, sir. No. I don't have any negative about Bixi, sir. I'm very happy.
So we are also very happy that you think so. But okay? So let me ask you the reverse question. Was there any positive surprises? Were there any positive surprises that you thought it would be like this, but it was much better than that?
Yes, sir. Like I thought. I was not knowing that recorded videos will be there and all, and I thought simply they'll explain about the banking depth. I thought they'll not go depth and all. By once I start attending the first modules and all, and after clearing the assessment and quizzes and all, I felt really it's worth to me.
Posting comfortable, as in, is it too far away from your home or?
No, sir. Only 10 minutes from my home to the branch. It's very near to my home, sir.
Okay, so to that extent, you're fortunate that within 10 minutes is like very, very fortunate. So how are the initial days looking?
Like initial 2-3 days, like I was not doing anything because I was first to that bank and I was not knowing anything, and they were not giving any work to me also. I was just sitting and observing the other person what she was doing. That's all, sir. Now I started doing my work now. From yesterday they have a handover key to me also. From tomorrow, fully I should do that work.
So you are in an operational oriented role there?
Yes, sir. Operational.
So you are what, a teller?
Yes, sir.
You are a teller.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Good, Shweta. Happy to note that you are happy. That is more important to us, right? So take care, stay happy, stay in touch with Soumya madam, right? And if any of your friends need help, please remember always to recommend them to us. And once you recommend, then they will not have any fears, because when they see ad on Facebook or Instagram, they might have fears, right? Like you had.
Yes, sir.